Having trouble with your AOL Mail app? A quick reinstall might fix it. So let's see how to delete and reinstall AOL app on your iPhone. Let's go. First, locate the AOL Mail app on your home screen. Press and hold it until a menu pops up. Then tap Remove App. Next, select Delete App and confirm to uninstall it. Now, open the App Store and tap on the search icon. In the search bar, type AOL Mail and find the official app. Tap on it to open the details page. Here you can see the download icon. Tap on it and wait for it to install. When it's ready, open the app and sign in with your AOL credentials. That's it. Your AOL Mail is now freshly installed and ready to go. If you can't find AOL Mail in the App Store, check if your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version or try switching your App Store region settings. Have you ever had to reinstall an app to fix an issue? Share your experience in the comments. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.